Alright, so welcome to another video. Today we want to do full computations on how we can check if a function is homogeneous or not. So let's dive into this function. So this is a function of three variables. Okay, so we introduce a variable, say t, right? So if you introduce t to all the variables, and after you are able to factorize the variable out completely, then we term that function as a homogeneous function. Okay, so let's go. So here, h of tx, ty, and tz, right? That should be equal to, we substitute t in place, in addition to all the variables. Okay, so we have tx power 3, tz plus tz squared, square root of tx ty cube minus tx tz squared ty. Okay, so this all over square root of t y squared tz minus 9 ty cube square root of tx minus ty power 3 on 2. Okay, so this, when you expand this, you have 3s cube tz plus t squared z squared. Then we have t x square root of that t cube y cube. Okay, minus tx t squared z ty all over square root of t squared y squared tz minus 9 t cube y cube square root of t x minus t power 3 on 2 y power 3 on 2. Okay, so this here, when you indices, because the bases are the same, we add the exponent, right? So t power 4 s cube z plus t power 2 z squared. T square root over here is the same as half, so right, we have t power half t power 3 on 2 y power 3 on 2 minus t t. So we have t power 4 xz squared y. Okay, all over t power 1 y power 1 t power half z power half. Okay, minus 9 t power 3 y power 3 t power half x power half. Okay, minus t power 3 on 2 y power 3 on 2. Okay, so let's go up. So here we have t power 4 x power 3 z plus t power 4, this squared, and this is 3 on 2 plus half, and that is 2, right? So 2 plus 2, 4. Then z squared y power 3 on 2. minus t power 4 x z squared y all over t power 1 plus t power half is going to be t power 3 on 2 y z power half minus 9 t. Right here we have t power 3 and t power half, and that is going to be okay, t power 3 on 2 times t power half, right, minus t power 3 on 2 y power 3 on 2. So 3 on 2 plus half, of course, is going to be 4 on 2, and that is 2. All right, so the middle term at the denominator will disqualify the function to be homogeneous. So here, the numerator, we can factorize 4 out, t power 4 out. So we have s cubed z plus z squared y power 3 on 2 minus x z squared y all over this. Right here we have t power 3 on 2, but at this point we are going to have t power 2, and this we have t power 3 on 2. So this we cannot factorize t power 3, so this denominator disqualify the function to be homogeneous. Okay, so disqualify the function to be homogeneous. So we have t power t on 2 y z power half minus 9 t power 2 minus t power 3 on 2 y power 3 on 2. So the denominator disqualify the function to be homogeneous. All right. So therefore, the function has no degree of homogeneity, and it's not homogeneous as well. All right. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll give you more content.